Hello friends, we are going to see in this video the brain teasers and riddle questions. Can you find the mistake? Are you find that? Actually, the mistake is here. And, now, can you find the number? Actually, you saw the picture from the opposite side. Rotate your phone and see the picture. So the number is 87. And, next. Guess the correct movie name. I think you did. Yes, Cinderella is the correct answer. What do these pictures have in common? The common thing is red color. Now, the tricky question. People buy me to eat, but never eat me. What am I? Yes. The answer is plates. And next. What will replace the question mark? Actually, the first shape has 6 equal sides, the next one has 5 equal sides and the last shape has 4 equal sides. So, the next one should be a triangle. We hope you definitely enjoyed this video. If like this video, please hit the like button and share your comments. Subscribe to this channel. Finally, thanks for watching.